away from the gas.
Oh my God.
Good check. What a fool. Oh God.
People are
thank
waiting
you,
to get
Jesus.
gas. People are waiting to get gas. Sorry about that here. Bad practice. Gas. People are waiting to get gas. We get here for the dash cam.
But by the time you get this, the gas done.
And people in their vehicle are running it enough to go get gas. And all of these persons are waiting to get gas. My gosh. People lining up at the gas station to get gas. It's not a riot, it's organized, but it's a organized chaos. It is organized chaos as we speak. And this is a thrifty gas station, Coral Springs. Similar lineup. People waiting on gas. And the police have to be here maintaining law and order.